Hi loves, so for today's video it's gonna be a bag organizer review. So I have here my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, and I also have here my Ella tote from Tory Burch. So what I'm gonna do is do like a review, and I will give you guys my full opinion and honest thoughts about this bag organizers. And if you will watch this whole video up until the end, I have something for you guys. So anyways, let's just start with this bag. Actually, this bag is sent to me by the brand Sirnathan store. I will leave all of the links in my description box below. And so anyways, I just want to review this bag organizer because I haven't I need a bag review, not a bag review. I need a bag organizer so bad. I know I already have one from the Amazon, but I'm still looking for a few other options. And I like this one because it's red, and my Speedy 25, the interior is brown. So anyways, this is the, I believe, small, I think. Yeah, this is the small organizer. And how cute is that? It has a handle and her logo is right there, Sirnathan, right there. And they have small, medium, large. Actually, hold on, let me just go to her website really quick. Wait a second. Looking in the website right now, she has size small, which is this one right here. She has size medium, large, extra large, and also slender large. If you have probably like a never full GM size or like bigger totes, then I feel like slender large would be it. So the color here, they have beige, which is this color right here. This is beige. We have here light pink, pink, red, and rose. So I choose the small one just because I want to have options for my Speedy 25. And let's just see if this one will fit on my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. She told me that it will fit, but let's just see. Let me just kind of squeeze this, because the opening mouth of the Speedy 25, it's not that big. I don't know if you guys can, but yeah, it's not that big, but it's like my perfect big bag, or like medium size bag. So I'm gonna try to, this is what I do, like I try to like squeeze this in. Okay, so it fits in there, you guys. It fits. And it also have a little bit more space on the side. Like it has more space on the side. So before I begin, there is a zipper here in the back. It's gold zipper here, and you can probably put like receipts or some coins in here. The front has this two pockets right here. There's two pockets in the side. In the middle, there's a lot of pockets. I can see a lot of pockets. And she mentioned that you can put water bottle in here, which I have one right here. And there you go. There's the water bottle right there. But I feel like, to be honest, I would not put water just because it's Louis Vuitton, and I'm afraid that if I'm gonna spill this water in my bag, that will just ruin my bag. But it's up to you guys if you want to put water. I mean, it's just for me, my preference. I would not put water bottle in my Louis Vuitton bag. But if we're talking about other different bags, I will put the water bottle in here. But it's nice to have that space, you know, like you can put like your water blender or whatever in here. So here we have four more pockets. Each side is two. So the water bottle goes here, and there's two more extra slit, and there's like the main in the center. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like I said, my essentials in this organizer. So we have my Prada wallet. I'm just gonna put it on the side, and I have my Chanel perfume. I'm gonna put this on one of this. Oh my god, if it's nice in there. I have my AirPods. Let's see if I can put it in this other side. I have my power bank. too. And then I have my lipstick. That day, if I'm going out, I have my lipstick and my lip liner. I'm gonna put it in right across. I have my phone charger. Let me just put this here. And then I have my wet ones, which is like my how do you call that? Like if I don't have my sanitizer, I have this one. So put it in the side. I have my paper, blotting paper here. I have my my key for the Louis Vuitton bag. Just gonna, where I'm gonna put it? I think I'm just gonna put it here. And I have my clip here, which, you know what, I'm gonna put it by the water bottle side. Just gonna put it there. And I have my wet wipes here from Huggies. Gotta have this everywhere I go. And I have my keys here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip it in here on the clip right there, so if I don't like lost it. So I'm just gonna put it here on the side. Of course, I have my phone. I'm gonna put my phone in here, and then scrunchie and my eyeglasses. So try to put my scrunchie in here. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the front because I don't have space anymore. But I think I'm not gonna put my eyeglass anywhere because I am like using it. And of course, I have my Jasmine. This is the Honey Pot refreshing spray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take out this clip and put this spray on like the water bottle side. So there you go. Look how it has a lot. Like if it's quite a lot. And mind you, this is just a size small, plus I have more space that I haven't even used, so I can still have more space in here, maybe like receipts or some, like, you know, some other stuff, and then some coins in here, like in the zipper or whatever you can put in here. And it is, you guys, look how spacious this small. I'm surprised that it has a lot of space. And I like this thing where you can actually, it's, and oh my god, you can unhook it too. So if you don't want this, you can unhook it on the bag. But I kind of just want to keep it this way because if I'm not using my key pouch from Louis Vuitton, then this will be a great idea to put in my bag. So I'm not gonna like search like where's my key, you know what I mean? So this, I'm gonna just put it back. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to put this organizer on my bag and see if it really does fit all of these. So here I'm just recording my phone so you guys can see what's really inside in here. So yeah, here's my key here, still connected. I put my clip in here, so everything is fit nice in here, and I still have like space on the side, like in the front and on the side, and I can still put more in here. I just prefer having an organizer because it's more organized, and I can see the things where I need to get, like for example, like my keys, my my cologne, my perfume, everything is in here. So that's what it looks like. But like I said, the sizes and dimension will be in the description box below, or it's on her website as well, so you can just like scroll down and go look for your sizes. If you have like Speedy 25, 30, or whatever bag that you have that needs like bag organizer, then you guys can go ahead and check her website out, because all the sizes, like the dimension, is all in her website. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys. This is size large in red, and this can go perfectly with your tote bag. So this is the red one, and it has 1, 2, 3, so there's 6 pockets in each side, and you have the how do you call it, like the bottle holder, like a water bottle holder on. Oh my goodness, so you have both water bottle on each side of the large one, and there's 3 more pockets in the front, and of course like the big zipper in the side. And of course you have your it's like I said, it's up to you if you want to put your keys in here or whatever you can put in here. And like I said, you can detach it, like, or you can like unhook it right there. So hold on, let me just let me unhook this real quick. Okay, yeah, there you go. See, but it's really up to you. I'm just gonna put it back. So this is the, I'm gonna try to order from her website. I'm gonna try to order the, I would say, extra large, because my Ella tote is quite big, and the large one I would feel like it's not enough. So I'm gonna try to order the, I would say, extra large. So yeah, this is the large one, and I also want to show you guys, this is the medium, which is in the color beige. This is a pretty color. It's a pretty color beige right here. So just want to show you the difference between medium and the large one. So this is medium, this is large, and the medium has 2 big pockets, and same with 2 slits or pockets in the side, and then 2 water bottle or whatever you can put in this one right here, and same, like you can put like your keys or whatever you want to put in here. So this is the size medium, and everything has her brand logo in there, which is Sirnathan store. So the good news about this video, you guys can win one of the bag organizer from her website. So all you have to do is like this video, share this video, of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Might as well just subscribe to my channel if you want to win this bag organizer. So I will be having 2 winners on this video, and all you want to do is like this video, like I said, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share this video to your friends, family, or your mom, like aunts, like if they want this bag organizer, you can, you know, share it to your family or friends. And also you have to follow her Instagram, follow her Facebook page, and also like her Facebook page. And I'm just gonna put all the rules and giveaway in the description box below, because I forgot. I have a list but I cannot find my list, but I'm gonna put all on the description box below so you guys can follow that. And then I will announce the winner. I will announce the winner next week, Friday, which is August 28th. So you have like a cup. And also I want you to share this. I want you to screenshot this. Screenshot that one. And I want you to also follow me on my Instagram. Like I said, I'm going to put all the follow or like the rules in my description box below. I want you to screenshot that, mention me and her on my on Instagram, and share it. And like I said, you guys, I want your Instagram to be public so I can able to see who you are, and I can start writing down the name. For those people that will say they already subscribed to my channel, and then if I go to their subscription and I don't see my name there, I'm not gonna write your name down, because it's unfair to other people that subscribe and follow the rules. So if you want to win both, not both, if you want to win one each, just let me know what size do you want. And the end of this, after you follow all the rules, I want you to comment if you want the large one or do you want the medium one, so I can write it down and put your name in, and I will choose whose winner is gonna win. So it's pretty easy. That's like literally it. And if you want to order from her website, you can also use my discount code Glenn15 for 15% off your first purchase. So that's all you gotta do if you want to win one, either or of these bag organizer. Is really good, you guys. Like if you have a bag and if you don't have organizer, you gotta have one. But all winners are just from here, US. I'm not gonna ship from the Philippines just because the shipping is kind of expensive. So I will, for now, I will just gonna do just US only for those who wants to join. So one more comparison. This is the small, which I'm keeping mine, and this is medium. I don't know if you guys can see that on the screen, but small, medium, and then small and large. But like I said, they have extra large and slender large, which I'm probably getting the extra large for my tote bag, for my work bag, because I needed organizer. But yes, overall, you guys, my honest thoughts about this: the quality, the stitching, I would give it like 10 out of 10, because I love how the stitching, and it's pretty dense. Like it's not how do you call that, it's not cheap looking. I know you can find a lot of cheap in Amazon, but the quality and the material of this one, I'm not being biased just because she sent it to me. I'm just stating facts, and I can see like how the quality of this one is much better. And yeah, I love it. I just love it. But like I said, if you want your first purchase, you can use my discount code Glenn15 for your 15% off your first purchase of her website. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. I love how this bag organizer fits quite a lot of my stuff, like my essential. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to win one of these organizers, then just join the giveaway, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.